Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making certain channels on your Discord server read-only, using the Discord mobile app for iOS and Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch the Discord app and open the server you want to edit. Tap on your server name from the top of the screen. Select Settings. In the server settings, open Channels. Select the channel you want to edit. Inside the channel settings, scroll down and open Permissions. Under Roles, select Everyone. Scroll down to Text Permissions. Disable the options Send Messages and Send TTS Messages, and then tap the Back button. Now anyone with the @everyone role will be prevented from adding text to the channel, which will effectively make it a read-only channel. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.